I don't like dynos. There are a lot of problems with dynos. Dynos are stupid. Dynos are misunderstood. But it doesn't mean because he has a dyno, he will be a good king.
I love the helmet, guys.
Vermijden eerst een bek van de bek.
it looks so much better.
So in the 600 class, Imad, he got first place for 636 at 113.9. 113.9. Then second place in the 600 is Atom. Atom on the second place, 109.0. Come get your trophy, Atom. Come get your trophy. Very, very strong bike. Very nice bike. He was doing some sneaky stuff there. Second place on Atom. Third place with 107 for the Matthew. Third place in the 600 category. Your bike is running very nice. Then we're going 750. First we have Warren. Warren's bike is first place in 750. Warren got 127.3. The 750 is very tight. 127.3. Then we have Uthman on a 750, 127.2. That's Uthman. Second place in 750. And in third place, and the best bike I think is me, my bike, third place. 126.8 on third. Okay, then we're going 1000 class. First in 1000 class, I don't think we're gonna still worry about it. Is the S1000 RR Gen 2, Uncle Marcel, first place. That's our custom trophies for you. Then we have, Marco is not here, but I'll see that he gets second place. That is on 173.1 on 1000 with his Jigsaw 1000.
Oh shit, it's my cousin.
Is that your cousin?
Yeah.
Yeah, his bike is
This
on.
morning.
Yeah.
The black and grey one.
And then we
K5,
have
K6.
in third place, Verna, but he's still on the track. Oh, he's coming back now.
So by default, I get the third place.
No, Verna is third place. Then we have a special bike, boosted bike. First place, the only boosted bike here is Buddha Levi. Supercharged H2, very nice bike. Buddha Levi 177.4. Buddha Levi boosted bike. And then for the last bike, I want to show you something. It's nicest, cleanest bike, and I think it's gonna go to Vian with his MD09. Showroom condition bike. Very, very, very nice bike. He bought it actually yesterday, came from the showroom. That's how we want to look like. But thank you for everybody that's coming, and thank you for Ross also for doing our photography. Ross Photography, you can contact me if you need it for anything. And thank you for Kane, for David and Kim, making the day liquor. We have spit and polish here, keeping everybody's bike clean. Still very working.
That's a wrap, guys. We had a great time out at the Road and Race Dyno Day. Special thanks to Road and Race for the invitation. Shout out to David Carr and Kane Industries for inviting us as well. It was an awesome day. I spent a lot of time there, left the family at home. Big shout out to all the guys that won prizes, first, second and third place. Road Race gave them some awesome 3D printed, very unique trophies. And yeah, it was a great day. We had some food stalls. They had an awesome turnout. A lot of guys actually pitched up. They had about 25 bikes on the dyno. Bike spit and polish was there, washing bikes. Got my lady clean. Didn't have time to still wash it before I went down. For only 80 bucks. Flipping steel. I charge a lot more than that. So yeah, great day was had. A lot of awesome fun. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. I'm going to close off now with a little clip of Marco and I. He came second in the 1000cc class. His K7 is strong. S1000 RR strong. That man is, he's got a monster bike underneath him. So I'm going to close out with a video of me and him doing a pull on the road on the way home. You'll see I out-launch, but he just closes the gap. Anyways, thanks guys. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and see you in the next video. Peace.